Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to monitor network usage on Linux. So, first of all we have to go into Show Apps and open the terminal, and I will show you two apps that you can use to monitor network usage on Linux. The first one is iftop, and we have to install both of these apps because they are not installed by default on Linux, so I will use the command sudo apt install, and right now iftop. I will press enter and type in my password, and the installation begins. And the installation is finished. Right now, how do we run iftop? Basically by typing in sudo, because we need administration permissions for this app, and iftop. I will press enter, and as you can see, we are listening on my network card. And as you can see, maybe I will make it a little bit bigger. And right now, we have, maybe I will start from this at the beginning. What does it mean? TX means data sent per connection, RX means data received per connection, and the total is the total traffic per connection. And right now, we have basically two keys that we can use in this app. So we can use small t on the keyboard in order to toggle display of the ports, for example, or basically change the view of these things. So I will press T. As you can see, I have one line per host. I can press T again, received traffic only, as you can see, T again, send traffic only, and 2 lines per host, so this is the default one. I can maybe use it right here. So that basically shows that for example, packet goes from this side to this side, actually from, for example, my Ubuntu to the gateway to the DNS, Google, and so on. And we can use the big T. So I will use like this, and that basically what it does is toggle. It is toggling total traffic display. So for example, if I press big T, it disappears, and again it appears again. So I think that might be also very useful. And right now we can maybe quit that by pressing Q on the keyboard. And right now, as you can see, we have our private IP address, interface, and our MAC address. And we can move on to the another app. It is the app that we call nload. So sudo apt install nload. This app is a little bit more basic because it only shows us a graphical view in terminal. So it will not show us the IP addresses or the addresses that we were seeing in the iftop, but only the graphical view of our network. So for example, how to start it? So nload, enter, and right now we have a Docker that is not our network card. We can move to the another card because we have 3 by pressing left and right arrow on our keyboard. So right arrow, it is our network card, and this is a loopback address, so we also don't need it. So this card, and for example, I will open the browser in order to make some I would say noise in our network. So as you can see, I am launching it, and I will go back, and as you can see, we have the incoming connection. So we can see something like this. This is a little bit small, so I can, for example, go into our channel site, and you will see if I open that. For example, I will maybe accept that, I will close that, and as you can see, we have I accidentally switched, but we have a very big incoming connections and also outgoing connections, so we can check it like this. And that's, maybe I will show you one more thing. We can quit that. Basically we have the current, average, minimum, maximum and total. That's, I guess, easy to understand. We can quit that, and right now I will show you the built-in method that basically, what it basically does. We will list the file from the procs, net and dev. I will press enter, and as you can see we also have right here our interface, the packets, the bytes, errors, drops in the receive and in the transmit. So this is how we can do it. Of course we can also do it in the real time by using the watch command. So for example I can type something like this, watch -n to, and cut with our file, so net and dev, enter, and as you can see it is switching, I guess, yes, it is switching every 2 seconds, as you can see here. We can stop that by pressing Ctrl+C on our keyboard, and that will be all in this video. If you found the video helpful, and if you know how to monitor your network usage on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.